Welcome to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos. And today I'm dead excited to be bringing you the unboxing video of the Ninja Dual Zone Air Fryer 9.5 litre. Now you may have seen just here my video of the unboxing of the smaller version, the 7.5 litre Dual Zone Air Fryer. I've had that about a year now and it's been fantastic. Now this item came up in the QVC Warehouse with a massive reduction. I got this for just under £130 delivered, and I thought, you know what, let's take a gamble, let's buy it from the QVC Warehouse. And I thought I'll bring you the unboxing and let's see how it comes. So before we get into this, make sure you are headed over to Ninja Foodi World Facebook page and make sure you join us and stick all your photos and pictures and get some recipe tips and ideas from the rest of the guys on that group. And make sure you say hello in the comments below and hit that subscribe and notifications bell for when I release new content. Right, let's move in and let's get this unboxed. Now when you do buy stuff on the QVC Warehouse, it doesn't come with the usual 12-month Ninja warranty. It will come with a 60-day QVC return policy. Now some items may be new, they may be damaged boxes, they may be returns from customers that no longer want them. So let's find out what this is like. So this has come in the original Ninja box. Item number is AF400 UK, which is the code for the Dual Zone Air Fryer 9.5 litre. Now the top has been re-sellotaped, so this has been opened at some point, so it'd be interesting to see what condition this is going to be like. The box is a little bit battered, but overall it's not too bad. So let's run the knife along carefully and just cut the tape and open it up. And like normal, we have a box in a box. So let's get this box out and then we can go from there. So now we've got this box out of the delivery box. It says Ninja Foodi MAX Dual Zone 9.5 litre air fryer. So there's two zones, so you can air fry and roast if you so wish. And look at that beautiful chicken there. Make sure you head over to my cooking 2 chickens in one go in the Dual Zone air fryer, and that's in a small version. Fantastic chicken. Up to 75% faster than normal fan ovens, and up to 75% less oil. And let's face it, they're the main two positives for me. Less oil, quicker cooking time. Then it has been rejigged the way the functions are on this one. There's a dial, but we will go through the differences between the two a little bit later on. We have max crisp function, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and we have bake. And then on the top of the box, it says you can mix and match meals, 2 independent cooking zones, so yeah, you can have them set differently. It's 2470 watt in power, and it cooks up to 240 degrees Celsius. That's UK, not Fahrenheit, for guys in America. And it comes with 2 crisper plates inside. So let's get it open and let's have a look what's in the box. I'm just going to pull the tabs down. And then if I spin it around, you might be able to make that with the camera. But basically, there's a little bit of information about how to cook with it using the sync method, so that you've got 2 different things or different items cooking on different times or temperatures, and so they end at the same time. And then you've got match, so it's basically set one basket, press match, and the other basket will follow. Remember guys, this is a QVC Warehouse item. So in the top we have the instruction book, we have a little guide about how to cook with it, with some tips on the different cooking methods, how to use the sink and match, and then you've got air fry cooking charts, roast chart, dehydrate, chicken feeters and spicy roast potatoes, they look nice, roast chicken again, beef koftas, yeah, so there's loads of nice things in here. And then finally just your warning card, so basically warning you not to place this item on top of a hob or any hot surfaces, because at the end of the day it's plastic and it will melt. Right, so that's the little booklets out of the way. Let's lift this container off. I think what I'm going to do is slide it onto here and then lift it out onto here. So you'll see that some of this packaging is a little bit torn, so it's obviously been out of the box before at some point, but I'm surprised at how well packed it is. So this is the moment of truth. Has it been used? Is it full of grease, or is it in decent condition? And wow, I would say that is in pretty good nick. It's not even been used. It's still got all the tape on to stop the drawers from opening. So all the covers on. It looks absolutely brand new. So I think this has just been a return model that someone's ordered, not wanted, and then it goes back into the warehouse. First thing I'm going to do is peel this top bit off. I'm going to peel the tape off the drawer. It's keeping the drawer closed. Is the one on this side? Yep. Now let's open the drawer. There's a piece of cardboard and some packaging. All that is there for is to stop this bottom bit from lifting up and bobbling about, and again it's got little rubber feet. That's the inside, and that goes in, and then what happens is you cook your food, all the oil drips through and the air can also flow around. Same in this one, so same again. Just spin it round, and we've got product code on the bottom and also the appliance ID from QVC. And then we do have a sticker on the front corner. Okay, so this basically just gives you the dual zone technology sink and match, which is in your instructions, and some quick times for doing chicken, fries, fish, muffins, broccoli, and also sausages. Now I am going to peel this sticker off like I did with my other one, because it can get quite hot. And also I just like the sleek look of how it is. So I've just plugged this in and I've zoomed you in a bit closer so you can see the controls. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is going to press the power button on, and you'll see that only one side lights up, so basket 1 is the default basket. We're then going to use this rotary dial to turn right, and you'll see, if you can just pick it up on the camera, so you'll see at the bottom roast is lit up, and then if I roll it, max crisp, air fry. I'm going to leave it on air fry. It's sunny out here, so these are quite hard to see that it's lit. Anyway, when you select air fry, it comes up at 200 degrees default. You can then change the time that it's on for. You can also change the temperature, and then if I wanted this basket to go, I would just press the center button, this basket would go. Now this is where, if I want basket 2 to match what basket 1 is doing, all I do is press match, and both baskets are now going to run same, and press the rotary dial and off it goes. You'll see both count down. If I pull the basket open on one, both drawers stop, and then back in, and this will count down until it finishes cooking. Now to use the sync method, where you might have 2 different items, so you switch it on. First of all, again, we're going to set the default basket, which is basket number 1. So I'm going to air fry some chips, leave it at 200 on basket 1. I'm then going to press number 2 for the second basket, and I'm going to go over to, bake, because I'm going to bake some bread, and it drops to 160, and also the time is 15 minutes. I'm then going to press sync and go. You'll see basket 1 is counting down, it's cooking, whereas basket 2 says hold. That is basically going to hold that basket there until this gets down to 15 minutes, and then that will kick in, so they both finish at the same time. Perfect. Now the non-stick griddle or grate at the bottom, you'll see it's got a dimple in. It's really good because you can then pick that up, but also the food gently doesn't stick to these. Next, let's talk about size. So height is 32.5 centimeters from the countertop to the top of this silver rim. Now width, I'll do it from the thickest part, so right at the back to the front edge where the drawer comes up, because it does taper, this bit does taper in slightly, so that is 27 centimeters. Now don't forget, this has vents on the back that stick out another 3 centimeters, and also the handles stick out another 8 centimeters. So in total, the width with the handles and everything is about 37 centimeters, so it is quite big. And then the width overall is 41.5 centimeters. Now basket wise, so the depth down to the non-stick pan is 11 centimeters. Space for cooking is 21 centimeters long by 17 centimeters wide, so a decent sort of cooking pot, and again it's the same on the other side. Right, so there you have it guys, the brand new Ninja 9.5 litre dual zone air fryer. Now obviously with it sat next to my 7.5 litre that's had some hammer, this has been used I would say every other day at least for the past year, and I love it. So as soon as I saw this come on offer, I had to buy it, and you know what, I can't wait. And I think overall for the size difference, yes it is big, but it's not a massive difference. And in fact, thinking of that, I am going to do a versus video where we compare these side to side, the functions and also the sizes, so that then you can make your mind up as well which version you decide to go for. But for me, this Max version will be taking pride place where my smaller one was, and I'll be giving this away to a lucky family member or friend, I think. So until next time everyone, thanks for watching. Make sure you are staying subscribed to the channel, and obviously I'll see you over at Ninja Foodi World, and until next time, thanks for watching.
One pizza too many.